Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear kids, let's review It's a review story time. A boy was visiting his uncle's house. He was surprised to see him dressed as a joker. He offered him to taste lemon jam. Suddenly, a kangaroo hopped into the room. The kangaroo was carrying an ink pot in its mouth. The ink pot fell to the ground and shattered. Family times bring great joys. See you in the next lesson.